Pwede mo bang ibahagi kung kumusta yung pagbisita mo ngayon kay Tatay Digong?
I think today was better. Also longer since I arrived before the time started. I arrived around 1:15. Better in a way also because it was less emotional. I mean, always the first visit, the most emotional talaga. So today was good. Today was more lively. There was lots of talks. Mostly about family, but he did ask news about the Philippines, of course, and Davao most of all. I updated him with some of the important news, and as usual, knowing him, he gave his opinions, he gave his thoughts about it, and ayun, okay siya today. Although I wasn't able to give him his usual snacks anymore kasi tumaas yung sugar
Oh.
from yesterday because he ate his favorite pancake cookie. Today he only had gluten-free nuts. So sabi ko, that's the only thing I can give you because we cannot risk spiking your sugar. So we had nuts and Coke Zero and Fanta, which is also sugar-free
Yeah.
Fanta. Was good. He seemed okay. Obviously not in the best state, but he is strong as usual. And we ended the meeting with a prayer.
So, gang? So may kaalaman ka ba na may celebration sa loob ng ICC noong 25?
I do not know of any specific celebrations. Good. I was just told that the detainees inside do have or hold their own celebrations inside. I do not know when or how they're gonna do it, but I just know that they usually gather together. So it is up to him if he wants to join.
So alam ni Tatay Digong na wala kayong dalaw ng 25.
He just learned of it a while ago. Honestly, he was quite disappointed. Talagang parang lumubog yung mukha niya when I told him that we couldn't visit on the days mismo, which are Christmas and the New Year. But I did tell him that siguro 24 ng gabi, I'll just wait for him there and then shout or something.
Ubanan ka na mo.
Ay, okay na. But yeah, I told him that we're close. We're just close. We're outside. His family, Mira, my mother, and I will be outside along with his Filipino supporters. Also, obviously, his foreigner supporters.
Yeah. So, gang, may mga mensahe ka ba sa mga supporters ng mga at saka lalo ikaw?
So we've been here for 9 months na, no?
Wow.
And I arrived here December 19 in the morning, and then from my first day I saw how much support there was, and how all of you have kept up the faith in us, but most especially in him. So I would like to thank all of you. I would like to greet all of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Happy holidays to you all, and I hope you know how much this means to our family, how much it means seeing all the love, the support, the respect, and the admiration that